Good morning, this is Clay at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they play out live. Market opens up here, not for about 40 minutes, but maybe some pre-market trading, especially on Roku. But I don't know if that'll happen or not. If not, I'll just see you back at the official open. Right, I think Roku does want to get down below 150.50. So I'm going to go ahead and just get 500 shares short. Still pre-market, but I think it's got a good chance to head back down below there. So I'm going to go ahead and pause, and I'll keep an eye on it. And if it looks like I'm going to get the movement, I'll get it rolling again. So there is the move down below 150.50. So watching the level 2s over here. So we're going to take the quick scalp there for the quick $76. So there we go. Market still doesn't open for 39 minutes. I think my math's right there. Yeah, 39 minutes, and I'm going to be starting up $76, maybe even more. So we'll see if maybe another opportunity presides. But I think Roku wants to get back above 148, and there is the break. Well, there was the break. It didn't last. It's up above it, but can it get more momentum above it is the key. So there we go there. Quick little scalp. Now up 164. Let's see what else I can find. All right, at this point, I think this one wants to at least retest 147, if not even get lower than that. So short 500 shares at 147.53. Like I said, I think the price has a high likelihood of breaking down through 147.50. So let's see what it wants to do. It's holding strong so far. So there's the break. Now, can it build some momentum to the downside is the question. And no, not really. No, I'm going to give up on it quite yet. We'll see if it wants to try it again. But yeah, that first break was not exactly what I was looking for. There it broke through again. So can it build downside momentum is the big question here. And it's just not operating the way I wanted to see it act. So let's see what else I can, well, there it kind of goes. But yeah, just not clean. I was looking for just a good violent breakdown, and it just didn't happen. Okay, I have an order at 144.55 here on Roku to buy this pullback. I clearly screwed up my last trade. Good old hindsight. But let's see if it can go down to 144.55. So looking for a quick break of 145. So that'll be the first thing that needs to happen. So can we get the break? Yes, we can. There it is. And it hesitated. Stopped right above my order. In fact, right there, if you're not familiar with my screen, 144.57 is where it stopped. So literally 2 cents above where I wanted. So let's go to 143.75 now at this point. So 143.75. New initial entry point. We'll see if it can work its way down there. Have an order at 117.35 on BYND to go short. Let's see if it can get up through 117, and if so, can it spike up there relatively quickly? So there's the break. Yeah. Not the best looking break. I'll go ahead and pause. Have an order at 1. Oh, nice. I'm in. Wow, that was fast. That was real fast. Got in at 1. I need to stop talking, though. Let me double check something. So 147.55. Let me just get that in place, and then I'll come back and explain what happened. But yeah, I got filled at 146.85, and then by the time I moved over and hit the exit button, to lock in my limit order, it had already moved way in my favor. So I was able to again get short at 85 and then get out right there at 31 for a nice quick move. Have my next order now at 147.55. So let's see, it is 953 up 496. So not quite $500, but close. $500 a day keeps the day job away. But let's see if this thing can get up over 147. I will keep you updated. Well, I'd like to try to play GNPX here, but you just can't buy right now. That is completely chasing and not a good habit to have. But if it does want to pull back some, I would be interested. So we'll see if it wants to pull back a bit more. But yeah, just buying when I got the video. I mean, think about it. Some people literally bought up here, and now it's pulling back. You got to wonder what those people are thinking right now. Probably getting a little nervous. So I'll put an order out there at 425. Try to buy on a pullback here. We'll see if it can get down there. Okay, I have an order at 39.35 here on Uber. We'll see if it can work its way down there. I will go ahead and pause. All right, I'm going to go ahead and cancel that order. Uber is just not nearly as volatile as what I thought it was, so not going to be worth the time. I have an order at 44.90 here on LYFT. We'll see if it can get down through 45. You'd expect there to be quite a bit of buyers there, which there are. So we'll see. So there is the break. And I am in now for my opening 500 shares. And 20, why is that? Because, all right. that was supposed to be going for the $50. If you watch my videos, you know sometimes I'll just go for the $50 bill, which is what I thought I was going for, but that's just not what happened. Oh well. $25 and I don't know, was that 2 seconds? I'll still take 25 bucks in 2 seconds, but $50 would have been a whole lot better, but oh well.
Oh.
Okay, say thanks for watching.
It's happening.
Yeah, there you go. All right, well, my son's helping me wrap up the video here. So, I haven't really been paying attention, but we are not even quite 10:30 yet, over $500. So yeah, $500 a day keeps the day job away. Now, if you're interested in trading alongside me and other quality traders, I do offer a community. If you're not aware, you can go to claytrader.com/team to learn more. Really, the way to approach that is we'll just use this pricing model right here, $99 for 3 months. And the way you approach that is just ask yourself, do I believe the service can help me make more than $8.25? Not per day, but per week. If you think the service can add at least $8.25 of value per week, then you will definitely get a great return on your investment. So that's how you can look at that. And there is a mobile app, I should note, that comes with it. So it's not one of these situations where you have to stay chained to your computer or anything like that. You can keep in touch no matter where you are. And then also, just as far as this video is concerned, if you enjoy these live trade videos and you would like for me to keep making these, please hit that like button. And then also, as my son bumps me and screws up the line, there we go. And that was still a terrible line, and it was not my son's fault that time. So apparently I'm just not good at it. But hit that like button, and down below, leave a comment. If you have any questions or what have you, just let me know. And for you expert YouTube professionals out there, I know I screwed up a couple times. Won't be the first, or it wasn't the first time, won't be the last. And I realize trading's always a little bit easier with hindsight in your favor. But yeah, so leave me your comments down below, especially the YouTube professional traders. I always enjoy hearing from them. All kidding aside, if you do have any questions, though, let me know. And like I said, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. Check it out. There's lots of other videos, lots of other content, and hopefully you like what you see. But thank you for hanging out. And yeah, remember, $500 a day keeps the day job away. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.